Union Cabinet clears Citizenship Amendment Bill, CAP, this morning. Bill likely to be introduced in Parliament on December 9. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assures protective measures for Manipur ahead of introducing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in ongoing winter session of Parliament. One Manipuri advocate practicing at Manipur State Standing Council and the Supreme Court found deaths in a mysterious manner at his Delhi residence. And Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah says Manipuri dance is one of the most exquisite and famous dance forms of the country. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The Citizenship Amendment Bill, or CAB, that seeks to grant a citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan was cleared by Union Cabinet this morning. The bill, which had lapsed during the previous term of Lok Sabha, is expected to be taken up in the Parliament on December 9. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh had yesterday told BJP parliamentarians that the bill is top priority, as important as the Article 370 move to end special status to Jammu and Kashmir. On the other hand, Congress Party, Trinamool, DMK, Samajwadi Party, Left and Rashtriya Janata Dal are strongly against the bill. Representatives of various political parties of Manipur, led by Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren, and members of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MANPAC) met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and discussed on Citizenship Amendment Bill last night. The Union Home Minister has stated that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will be produced in the Parliament and reportedly assured that the bill will not harm Manipur. The 40 minutes meeting in the wee hours was held from 12:05 till 12:45 a.m. Speaking on the sidelines, MANPAC convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar stated that the delegation team of MANPAC and all political party of Manipur urged the Union Home Minister not to implement CAB, as the bill will greatly affect Manipur, which does not have any constitutional protection. To which the Union Home Minister first assured of taking preventive measures not to let the bill affect both hills and valley regions of the state. Dilip Kumar stated that the delegation team expressed disappointment with the Home Minister's assurance, after which Union Minister Amit Shah assured that the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will be produced in the Parliament with necessary protective clause for Manipur. Dilip Kumar asserted that further discussions will be held with the people of the state upon their arrival in Manipur.
MANPAC की माइगैदगी अखोई मियाम की वफम असी पुरगा लाकपनी चिंग अमसुंग तम अनिमकपु फुल ओइना प्रोटेक्ट तौबा अदुगुम मखल अमा ता लैतबनिना हुजिकता ILP अमसुंग 6 शेड्यूल की वफम जी करिगुम द सन्नब लैतबनिना अखोई सिदी यामना खुदोंग थिलिगाय उब फियमदा लैबनिना CAB असी सन्नब सुया यारो हैबसी हन्ना हन्ना थमब मतुंगदा महंगना लागादब पार्लियामेंट सेशन दा CAB सी पुथोरको मतमदा महंगना पीबा स्टेटमेंट दो सोइदनमकी Manipur की सोहनदनबा वफमगा लोइनना पुथोरकनी हाइबा वफमजे थमी अदुबो अखोइना अरोइबदा हाइजरमबदी हाइरिबा महाना सेमदोरैबो वफम अदुदा अखोइना यानिंगबा नत्रगना यानिंगदबा हाइबदुदी MANPACना मनपुर मियांगबा लोइनना तानरबो मतुंगदा अखोइ करि तौसिगे हाइबदो खन्ननबगी दमकता अखोइ सेम सादुना लैबो चंगी हाइबा.
One Manipuri advocate practicing at Manipur State Standing Council and the Supreme Court was found dead in a mysterious manner at the stair of his residence in New Delhi. The deceased is 46-year-old Leshangthem Roshmani, son of L. Indrajit from Singjamai, Leshangthem Laikai. His wife, Sapam Surnalata, said that the incident occurred on December 2 after her husband, along with their 2 daughters, returned from a birthday party. Surnalata said that she found her husband laying lifeless on the the stair when she returned home from duty at around 6 a.m. on December 3. Stating that CCTV footage of the incident could not be traced, she urged the relevant authorities to investigate the incident at the earliest. Roshmani's brother El Premjit also expressed foul play and urged the government to probe the mysterious death at the earliest. He expressed even more suspicion to have been informed that post-mortem report of the case will be given after 15 days.
CCTV camera thambane do camera ahum do lema akoina ayuki ngarangi nungdangi matam duma pura yaurum darbane recording check to bakanda wire connection loose la kainu khangdeba ai taruk makhai da taruk te information panga yumda halakwa kanda aduki adai digi recording amuk shuru haurummeba aduga maraki recording duma pura tatlamme kaimta record leramde
state government gi standing council am oiribani supreme court ta state government ma se sabsana ma se gi investigate to honingi sabsaba wayen puthoni maduna asumba oigane na khali kanana tawuno kamai tawuno habdi ohodamni akoina sinani haibamakti haiba ngamjade
adugana kakhapada papa pakok pala nai haido birthday party de jodi bakery de asta wadana papa ki kok nai hai adugana yum yo bada first floor do asi kakhat ki to stairs do ama step lo makhata de asin pala dana hai mi da hado di hai nang dang la ka hat ni hai.
Special Judge Pokso Imphal West has remanded a man accused of impregnating a minor into 10 days of police custody. The accused is 25-year-old MD Nawaz Sharif, son of Nijamuddin from Urup, Salan from Laikai under Irilbung police station. Imphal West Women Police arrested him from Ima Market yesterday. He was arrested after the Central Administrator of One Stop Center, Chandal, filed a complaint at Imphal West Women Police Station on November 23, accusing Nawaz Sharif of impregnating a minor from Ukhrul district. Now, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah praising Manipuri dance on 6th International Sankirtan Day today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has asserted that Manipuri dance is one of the most exquisite and famous dance forms of the country. She was speaking at the 6th International Sankirtan Day observance on the theme celebrating Sankirtana of Manipur, India's intangible cultural heritage of humanity, at Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today. Intellectual Forum of Northeast, Department of Sankirtana, Manipur University of Culture, Department of Dance and Music, Manipur University, and Manipur Citizen Forum jointly organized the event commemorating the day when Manipur's Nata Sankirtana was first enlisted in the intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah asserted that preserving and protecting the various exquisite art and culture of the state will enrich Manipur's cultural heritage. Teachers of Nata Sankirtana were also felicitated on the occasion, and various Nata Sankirtana performances marked the event.
The Sankirtana is a performed to mark important occasions during a person's life from birth to death. I feel proud of the rich cultural heritage of Manipur, as even the UNESCO has recognized our culture. Now Manipur culture is in the international arena of culture. Therefore, we have no doubt that Manipur is today best introduced to the world through her rich performing art and culture and not through her geographical position and size. It is through the Manipur culture that the world knows the existence of such a tiny state in this far-flung northeastern part of the country. I hope that state-level committee will continue its commendable good work for sustaining, progressing and enriching the Manipuri Nata Sankirtana.
The 6th International Sankirtan Day was also observed at JN Manipur Dance Academy, commemorating the day when Nata Sankirtan, an ancient art form of the state, was enlisted in the heritage list of the UNESCO. Nata Sankirtan of Nupapala was showcased on the occasion. A 6th International Sankirtan Day Celebration Committee, Sri Govindaji Nata Sankirtan Wangkai and Guru Sanatan Hari Sankirtan Nainashang, along with various Nata Sankirtan associations, organized the event. Taking part in the event, Yai School MLA T.H. Satyabrata stated that Nata Sankirtan teaches the highest form of discipline and the art form has an irreplaceable relation with the Hindu religion. He urged everyone and especially the state leaders to take measures to preserve and promote the valuable ancient art form. Nauria Pakanglak MLA S. Subhash Chandra, Khetrigao MLA and Indrajit and eminent people of Nata Sankirtan attended the event.
Itu lain tu thajadna Nigeria koi pun maki ni mesti tak apa thana ba yadra ba mari ma lai lauje ada hai ru posi koi thena pakalan ba masi bu chawhan ba masi hajar ba masi mahan dana thambi ba bachani mangda Nigeria ba koi pai pusi na masi hajar ba masi na ko thambi na masi koi phamda thambi na me akoi da mo tungda la ka da ba mino gi da ta asi ba hajar ba posi na ko kain da thambi na ba bachani na da ni machin ma masi de chei khai ma tu masi masa u phangoi da ba adu moi aki bu su lei ta ba din nate adana masi kuno bu phagalan ma nga kuna thamba hai masi koi puna maki dai te ni hai wa bum da mai hai jiningi.
The Supreme Court today granted bail to Congress leader P. Chidambaram in the INX media money laundering case lodged by the Enforcement Directorate. The top court said Chidambaram could not leave the country without prior permission of the court and neither try to influence witnesses nor tamper with evidence. The apex court set aside the Delhi High Court's November 15 verdict denying bail to the former Union Finance Minister who has been in custody for 105 days since 21st of August when he was arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the INX media corruption case. A three-judge bench headed by Justice R. Bhanumati granted the relief to the Congress leader on a personal bond of 2 lakh rupees with 2 sureties of the like amount. The bench, also comprising Justices A. S. Bhopana and Rishikesh Roy, restrained Chidambaram from giving any press interview or making any statements with regard to the case. The ED had arrested Chidambaram on 16th of October in the money laundering case. The top court had on 22nd of October granted bail to him in the INX media corruption case lodged by the CBI. Forty-eight universities and higher educational institutions have been given the 3rd Swachhta Ranking Awards at a function in New Delhi. The awards were given in various categories like residential universities, non-residential universities, technical universities, residential colleges and government universities. Speaking on the occasion, Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said, students are emerging as change agents in the field of Swachhta. He said the ranking system is based on various parameters of hygiene like student toilet ratio, hostel hygiene, hostel kitchen hygiene, availability of water, water conservation measures, campus greenery, and administrative responsibility for hygiene. Now the sports news. Indian women's football team got its South Asian Games 2019 campaign off to a winning start as it sealed a thumping 5-0 win over the Maldives yesterday. Bala Devi struck a brace while Dangmei Grace, Manisha and Jabamani Tudu scored a goal apiece to hand the team 3 points at the Pokhara Stadium in Nepal. The win puts India on the top of the points table with host Nepal grabbing a 1-0 win over Sri Lanka in the opening match of the day. India will next face Sri Lanka at 9:45 a.m. tomorrow. Moreover, Indian athletes dominated in track and field events, winning 4 gold, 4 silver and 2 bronze medals yesterday. Sarvesh Anil Kumar created new South Asian Games record in men's high jump by crossing 2.21 meter heights. The previous record was 2.20 meter, which was created by Sri Lanka's M. Vish Shekara in 2004. The Indians have so far claimed 42 medals, including 17 gold, 16 silver and 9 bronze. The country is currently second in the medals tally behind host Nepal with 46 medals. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Cabinet clears Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB this morning. Bill likely to be introduced in Parliament on December 9. Union Home Minister Amit Shah shows protective measures for Manipur ahead of introducing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in ongoing winter session of Parliament. One Manipuri advocate practicing at Manipur State Standing Council and the Supreme Court found death in a mysterious manner at his Delhi residence. And Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah says Manipuri dance is one of the most exquisite and famous dance forms of the country.